Curbside Circus, the circus at your curbside.
Hi everybody, it's Zach from Curbside Circus. How are you guys doing today? Awesome! I'm doing amazing too. And I'm super excited today because we are gonna do the ABCs. Do you guys know your ABCs?
Yeah!
Yeah! Wait a minute, I have an idea. Maybe we should sing the ABCs. Do you guys want to sing with me? All right! Okay, let's start it off. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, circus, woohoo! H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Do I still have you? All right. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You guys were awesome. That was so much fun. Now, I think we should do something super cool with the alphabet. You know what? Let's go get my jump rope friends. Come on. Ooh, doo, doo. Whoa! Look at them go. Whoa! I wish I could do. Whoa! That was so awesome. Hi guys.
Hey everybody.
Ian, and it's Connor.
Hey, what's up?
Now guys, we are going over the ABCs today, and I was wondering if you could help me out.
We'd love to.
Of course.
Yeah! So I got the perfect plan. We're gonna go through the alphabet, A all the way to M today, and we're gonna try to do one jump rope trick for every letter. Can we do that?
That sounds good to me.
Yes! Okay, you know what? Let's start from the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, the first letter of the alphabet is A, that's right! All right, Ian and Connor, can you give me a trick that starts with the letter A?
Oh, I think I have one for him. How about an AS? Oh. Okay, so an AS is a cross behind your knees.
That was so cool! Good job, Ian!
Thanks, Zach.
All right, now it's time to move on. Let me sing to remember. A, B, that's right. The next letter is B. All right, let's try with Connor. Connor, can you show us a jump rope trick that starts with the letter B?
I know just the trick. This one is called a BC. And it's a full turn under the leg.
Whoa, that was so cool. Okay, let me think. A, B, C. C! Okay, the letter C. Ian, can we do a jump rope trick that starts with the letter C?
Absolutely. This is so similar to the A trick we had. It's called a CL.
Wow, that was so cool. Okay, A, B, C, D. It's time for a jump rope trick that starts with the letter D. Connor, can you give us a jump rope trick that starts with the letter D?
I got it. A double under.
Oh, did the rope go 2 times under your feet?
Yeah, 1, 2 times.
That's so cool. Okay, Connor, help me out. A, B, C, D,
E.
E. Do you think we should have Ian do a jump rope trick with the letter E?
Yeah.
All right, Ian, come on in.
It's only fitting Ian with E. So I'm gonna do an elephant.
Whoa! Did you guys know there was a trick named after an animal? That's so cool. All right, A, B, C, D, E, F. The letter F. Okay, Connor, can you show us a jump rope trick that starts with the letter F?
Yeah, speaking of animals, this one is called a frog.
Ribbit.
Hold on. I think I'm gonna do that. A ribbit. That was awesome, Connor. Okay, back to business. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Do you think we're gonna do a trick called a gorilla?
No gorillas here.
Oh, Ian, is there a trick called gorilla?
Not that I know of, but we could certainly make one someday.
All right, Ian, can you give me a trick that starts with the letter G?
Absolutely. So this one's called a go-go.
Oh. That was so cool, don't you guys think? Yes! All right, back to business. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The letter H. All right, let's have Connor come back in. Connor, can you do a jump rope trick that starts with the letter H?
I can. I know the perfect trick. A
Okay.
helicopter.
Ooh. Oh. I get it. It kind of looked like the blades of a helicopter. Awesome. All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Ian, can you do a trick that starts with the letter I?
I certainly have a trick for
See
you.
what you did there.
You like that one? This one is called an inverse.
That was so cool. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All right, let's bring Connor back. Connor, can you do a trick that starts with the letter J? Oh, J is for jump rope.
J is for jump rope.
That's so cool. Okay, sorry.
This is perfect.
A trick that starts with the letter J.
This one is really tricky. This one is called a JOHMMY.
Oh!
Really tricky. Here we go.
Whoa! Did you guys see? He was like, that was so awesome. I have to ask you a question. You called it a JOHMMY. Is it named after pajamas?
I wish it was.
Oh.
It's actually named after two jump ropers.
Whoa, they put their names together?
Yeah, John and Tommy.
Oh, that's so awesome, John and Tommy. Okay, back to business. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. All right, I am ready. Ian, can we do a trick that starts with the letter K?
I don't know if we can, but I certainly can.
Oh, I see what you did there. Okay.
This one is called a KN, so it's gonna be a little tricky. One arm is gonna go behind my head while the other crosses in front of my stomach.
Oh boy.
Let's see if we can do it. Hey!
That was so cool.
Thanks, Zach.
Okay, all right, we did K, right? So that's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes! All right, Connor, can you do a trick that starts with the letter L?
This one's a really special trick.
Oh.
We don't even need a rope for this one.
Oh,
We're gonna
okay.
do a leapfrog.
Leapfrog. Oh! Can you do leapfrog over me?
I can. Let's see.
Okay. Whoa. Ooh, okay. Here we go. That was so awesome. Can I do it too?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Here I come. Oh, that's a little high for me, but okay, that's all right. Oh, here I go. Leapfrog. Up and.
Oh my
We did it!
We did it!
Yes. Okay. Let's sing it to them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. It's our last one.
last letter.
All right, let's bring Ian back. Ian, can you do a trick, a really cool one, because it's our last one, with the letter M?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So this one we call a Meek, and what it is, I let go of one of the handles, I throw it in the air, do a little magic trick, and then I catch the handle. Now, hopefully we can do it. Here we go. Whoa!
Oh, that was so cool.
Thanks, Zach.
Did you guys have fun practicing your ABCs? Me too. All right, we're gonna get to work on an N through Z. All right, we'll get to work. Let's start thinking.
Absolutely.
Everybody else, thank you so much for joining us. Once again, my name's Zach. This is Connor. This is Ian. We're Curbside Circus, and if you want to see more videos, all you have to do is search Curbside Circus. All right, guys, we'll see you later.
Bye.